Just to put this out there, this is an old video of a detailed twist tutorial, so you will hear me say winter quite a lot. And also disregard my voice in the video because I was a little sick when I recorded this video. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe as always. So now let's get into the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be doing mini twists on my hair, and this is also gonna be a tutorial on like how to twist your hair and stuff like that. So let's get started. The two things I'm gonna be using for this mini twist, the two products, is the As I Am double buttercream and also my spray bottle with water and aloe vera juice mix. So let's start from the front. Grab my comb, and all I do is just like go in and make a curve. So just clip this off, and these, all I'm gonna do is spray the roots, just like soften it up and remove any shed here, and mostly the ends because they're fragile and they need more moisture. Extra generous about the cream because my hair gets dry quickly and it's winter, so you need a double protection you can give your hair. I slightly finger detangle and pick out my roots with my thumb. So I go in like this, then I come up, so that way I can take out any shade here. When the other side, and do the same thing. So once I feel like that's enough, I just go in and split the hair into 2 equal parts, like so. Make sure one part isn't bigger than the other. Make sure they're equal, so you don't mess your twists up when you get to a certain stage. So you get 2 equal parts. Make sure your hair is all nice and detangled. So you go, I do right over left. Some people do left over right. It doesn't matter. Do whatever you feel comfortable doing. So I go right over left, like so. Let's do that again. So I'm holding this with my thumb and index, and same with the other one. So I just go right over left and pass it to this. Then I use my middle finger, my fourth finger and my middle finger to hold down the hair from the right. Then I pick the left one up, and I just keep doing this, doing the same thing over and over again until I'm done with the hair. Keep going. Then once I have about like an inch to 2 inches of hair, I just stop twisting, and I go in with a tiny bit of product more, and I twirl the ends so that way they can stay nice and moisturized, and the takedown will be easy because you didn't twist all the way down. Those are loose and not twisted. So yeah, and this is what it looks like right now.